MudShark has always made it easy for you to build up a four-dimensional model of your site, helping you get the most precise earthwork calculations. Now, with MudShark's 3D cross-sections, you can not only build your site, but break it down and examine it. MudShark in-place 3D cross-sections provide a tremendous advantage in visualization over traditional cross-sections. Providing context and interactivity gives you power to truly understand your site and to produce more accurate estimates. You can draw any number of cross-sections on a site in any direction. These can be made up of a single straight line, a polyline, curves, or even a closed shape, whatever you need. Cross-sections are automatically calculated for you. If you already have a site entered, the results are available instantly. You can view all MudShark cross-sections in 3D, 2D, or both at the same time. 3D cross-sections are part of our fully interactive viewport, and you can view them in any configuration with the rest of your site. Placing the cross-sections in this context provides you with the most powerful way to visualize your cross-sections. You are able to dynamically change what stage of the site you look at through a cross-section. As well as being embedded in the 3D viewport, there is a new 2D cross-section view. All of your 3D cross-sections are transposed into this view for a more traditional cross-section appearance. The 2D cross-sections are unfolded so that any polyline and curve sections represent their true distance. If you want to view the 3D and 2D cross-sections at the same time, you can drag one of the windows out of the interface, then drag and dock it somewhere else, even to another monitor. Selecting a cross-section in one view will automatically select that cross-section in another view. Print out all your cross-sections one at a time or all together. Decide which cross-sections you want to see showing the section information for either the existing site, proposed site, or the two sites overlaid one on top of the other. You can print directly to paper or to a digital format such as PDF or XPS. The reports come with an optional layout showing the position of each cross-section relative to the site, as well as a legend so you can easily see which materials are referenced in each cross-section. For more information about cross-sections or to learn more about how MudShark Earthworks will completely change how you estimate, please contact us or one of our trusted resellers today.